Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, today I have a beautiful and amazing paper art decoration ideas. It is very beautiful and colorful paper decoration ideas. Paper art for frame, for kids, for family, and different beautiful paintings ideas. You can see it is very amazing and stylish paper art decoration ideas, and I hope you like it, and you like it, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And you can see more videos and press the bell icon and share your friends and family members. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye, see you soon.